Ever dreamed of exploring an island that offers a perfect blend of rich history, natural wonders, and unforgettable adventures? What if we told you that Cayetti has it all? Join us as we dive into the heart of this enchanting city and discover the best things to do in Cayetti, Italy. Number 13. Castello Quarter. Get ready to be captivated by the Castello Quarter, right at the heart of the city. Stroll through its enchanting narrow streets where every corner holds a delightful surprise. You'll be transported back in time as you marvel at the medieval walls and majestic cathedral that stands tall. And let's not forget about the culinary delights. Treat your taste buds to authentic Sardinian cuisine at charming trattorias. For breathtaking vistas, head up to the panoramic terraces and soak in the mesmerizing views of the city and the glistening sea. In addition, don't resist the urge to shop at the unique boutiques that showcase handmade crafts and trendy fashion. Number 12. Cagliari Cathedral. Cagliari Cathedral is a place you definitely want to explore while in the lively capital of Sardinia. This architectural marvel from the 13th century showcases a perfect blend of Gothic, Baroque, and Romanesque styles. Its grandeur will leave you in awe as you admire the intricate details and craftsmanship. Take a moment to appreciate the historical significance of this landmark, which has witnessed centuries of events and celebrations. Step inside to soak up the peaceful ambience and be transported to a different era. However, don't forget to capture some stunning photographs of the cathedral's magnificent facade and surrounding area. Number 11. Cayetti Elephant Tower. Ever wondered what secrets lie within the ancient walls of Cayetti Elephant Tower? Prepare to be enthralled by this remarkable medieval masterpiece nestled in the enchanting Castello Quarter. With its origins tracing back to 1307, when architect Giovanni Capula brought it to life. This tower holds a treasure trove of history waiting to be explored. But that's not all. Ascending to the top of this towering structure unveils an astonishing reward, sweeping vistas of Cayetti that will leave you breathless. The beauty of Cayetti spreads out before your eyes, and these awe-inspiring sights will be etched in your memory forever. Number 10. Cayetti's Royal Palace. Cayetti's Palazzo Square, a historic square pulsating with life, is home to the renowned Royal Palace, also known as the Palazzo Reggio. This architectural marvel has witnessed centuries of Sardinian history. Built in the 14th century, it was once the residence of Sardinian rulers and later served as the seat of viceroys during Spanish rule. Today, this grand palace opens its doors to curious visitors, showcasing engaging portraits, ornate mirrors, dazzling chandeliers, and regal artifacts. Let your imagination soar as you unravel the stories hidden within these walls, a symphony of power, elegance, and administrative prowess. Number 9. Roman Amphitheater of Cayetti. The Roman Amphitheater of Cayetti is a true marvel that adds to the beauty of this city. Constructed in the 2nd century AD, this architectural masterpiece is carved into the rocky hillside, making it a sight to behold. Its sheer size commands attention, offering awe-inspiring views of Cayetti from its elevated position. As you make your way up, you'll be treated to an up-close encounter with ancient Roman architecture, complete with intricate design elements. With its oval shape and tiers hewn from rock, you'll feel like you've stepped back into history. Don't forget your camera. The panoramic views from here showcase the city's Old Town district as well as its port. Number 8. Bastion Saint Remy. Bastion Saint Remy is an exciting spot nestled on the southern end of Castello, brimming with historical significance. Originally built in the 13th century as part of the Middle Ages fortifications, this monument stands tall as a testament to the past. Wander through this enchanting place, surrounded by a charming park and the imposing walls of Castello. Discover the incredible craftsmanship of Sardinian sculptors, showcased in the 7 adorable works adorning the bastion. As you explore, take in the striking vistas and enjoy the stories of old. Number 7. Poeto Beach. For a more thrilling experience, head to Poeto Beach, one of Italy's most beautiful beaches and the largest in Cayetti. This 5-mile stretch boasts white sand, crystal clear emerald green waters, and intriguing views that will keep you attracted for hours. Despite its popularity among tourists, Poeto maintains a laid-back atmosphere with ample space for relaxation. Dive into the refreshing waters for a swim, soak up the sun while lounging on the beach, or try exciting water sports like surfing and paddleboarding. As you explore, you'll find lively bars and restaurants along the shoreline serving delectable Italian cuisine, including fresh seafood and traditional pasta dishes. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Cayetti experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 6. San Benedetto Market. The San Benedetto Market offers a unique way to indulge in Sardinia's local cuisine and traditional handicrafts. It's a bustling hub of activity where you can enjoy the vibrant Mediterranean flavors, sights, sounds, and aromas of the region. What sets this market apart is its two-floor setup. On the first floor, you'll find a tempting array of meats, cheeses, bread, and other delectable foodstuffs. As you ascend to the second floor, you'll encounter fruit stands brimming with colorful produce, alongside materials for dressmaking, which showcases Sardinia's rich cultural heritage. Number 5. Cayetti Archaeology Museum. The Cayetti Archaeology Museum is a history lover's dream come true. This museum is a treasure trove of over 4,000 artifacts, showcasing the engrossing cultural heritage of Sardinia and the Mediterranean. You won't want to miss the Nora stone, a prized possession displaying relics from ancient Cayetti and Oristano. The bronze collection is another highlight, featuring intricate miniature bronze sculptures that offer a glimpse into ancient life. Step into the past and envelop yourself in Italy's rich cultural heritage that spans millennia. With its impressive array of exhibits providing insight into Italy's rich cultural heritage, this visit will not only be educational but also highly entertaining. Number 4. Cayetti Museum Citadel. Cayetti Museum Citadel is a fantastic gem tucked within the historical walls of the Royal Arsenal. Inside, you'll find a massive collection of historical artifacts and impressive art that will leave you in awe. From prehistoric wonders to modern-day masterpieces, the exhibits cover a wide range of interesting topics. But what sets this place apart is the interactive displays that bring Sardinia's past to life. You can practically step back in time and uncover the island's intriguing history. The staff there are incredibly friendly and helpful, making your visit a delightful experience. Number 3. Day Trip to Nuragic su Nuragic. Looking for a day trip away from the hustle and bustle of Cayetti? Nuragic su Nuragic in Barumini is a perfect escape. This UNESCO-recognized archaeological site is a treasure trove of history, giving you a glimpse into the roots of Sardinian culture. Explore the massive central tower, ascending its spiral staircase to discover 3 interconnected chambers and smaller galleries. Expert guides are available to offer delightful tours and provide insights into the complex architecture and the gripping stories behind it. Number 2. Day Trip to Nora. If you're a history buff, then a day trip to Nora is highly recommended. Nora is home to some of the most well-preserved Phoenician ruins from the ancient world, making it a paradise for history enthusiasts. The Pula archaeological site in Nora is a treasure trove of both Phoenician and Roman remnants. Also, the presence of a grand theater, a vibrant marketplace, and even ancient thermal baths present fascinating glimpses into the past. What's even better is that you don't have to worry about transportation or missing out on important historical facts, as guided tours are available. As you embark on this journey, soak in the striking views of the Mediterranean Sea and unravel the stories behind each ruin. Number 1. Capo Carbo. Capo Carbo is more than just a wonderful natural attraction, it's a paradise waiting to be explored. This attractive cape not only divides the eastern and western sides of southern Sardinia, but it also offers a rich history and incredible views of the sparkling sea. Immerse yourself in the beauty of this coastal gem by engaging in a plethora of outdoor activities. Dive into the crystal clear waters for a memorable snorkeling adventure or explore the hidden wonders beneath the surface through diving expeditions. If relaxation is your goal, simply unwind on the pristine beaches, letting the warm sun caress your skin. Click here for more things to do in Italy.